Yo, I just put my headphones on and they were cold as Let me play this. Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Casey, and today I've got the final piece of the trio Halloween videos I've been doing for the past 3 weeks. This is going to be the one that finishes that trio off. It's the final one for this year, and next year I'm going to do it again, but maybe for the full month of October. I missed a memo for the first video that I did this month. Anyway, I just messed up something now. So yeah, what I made here is a Halloween trap beat. It took me about 7 hours to make. So yeah, imagine me doing this on video. Hell no. Anyway, yeah, what we're gonna be doing in this video is I'm just gonna be talking through the things that I've done, how I've gone about making this, and explaining, because I've done some crazy things, you know. I made this downriser myself, and I'm gonna tell you how I did that. That's how I did that, but I'm gonna show you step by step. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start off with the intro. So in the intro, I got this Belmo pen, which sounds like that. And if you are hearing, you should be hearing vinyl crackles in the background, and you won't see any audio clip here which should be the vinyl crackles. That is because I've got this effect here from Cymatics on one of these sounds here. Yeah, this effect, got this one on. Okay, it's not that one, but yeah, this effect has the vinyl crackle running throughout the whole track, so there's no way for it to just be under the sound that the effect is on. But I kind of built the song around that, so I'm chilled with it. And so yeah, there's the vinyl crackle and Belmo pen. So that I got from Citrus. If you don't already know, I think it's the first bell that you get from Citrus. Like listed first, now second one. Yeah, I don't think I did anything to the effects. So yeah, there's Belmo pen. Then I got this sound, which I got from Cymatics pack. And that sound, it has the Cymatics origin effect on to give it that vintage sound effect. Okay, and that I got from, let's get it real quick, Cymatics Apex One Shots Volume 3. That's what it sounds like stock. Coolio. Now let's move on. Okay, and then hit the bottom, go into the second half of the intro, got this downriser that I made. Hold on, oh no, I'm not using a frequency that shouldn't be there. It's low in. Let me just remove the low end. Okay, we Gucci. So this, that was made by yours truly, and as you can see, it's consolidated because I made it right here with this thing over here. I made sure not to delete this because I wanted to show it in the video. But yeah, this is how I made it. This is the MIDI data that I use for consolidation, and then this is the automation class, automation club, and I've got the volume automated to give it a very smooth ending. Yeah, let me bring this thing up so you can see what exactly I automated. Coolio. So we go here, and then we go to pitch, and then I'm going to play this, and then you can just watch here and see what I've automated. So let me detach this so that it doesn't go away when I click here. So as you can see, I automated the speed and I automated the amount. And that is how I made that. And then I consolidated it, put it on the mixer, and put delay on it. Put the reverb on it. A lot of reverb, so I had to attenuate that, and I EQ'd it just now. And that's that. First half of the intro done. Then we come on to the second half of the intro. In the second half of the intro, got the Belmo pen again, and we've got this Cymatics bell vinyl from the Apex pack, and then strings. So this strings I got from Labs. Let me just open that. Got from Labs Spitfire Audio. This is a free plugin. Go ahead and get it. And the effects that I have on that is I got Origin on it again. Origin and Evo's Duo to put it in both ears. Cool, and it fits in nicely with that vinyl crackles. And then after that we've got the low ambience. Oh, I really like that. And that I got from Toxic Biohazard. So I did some changes here, and I can't exactly remember what I did because I spent too long on this thing. But yeah, I took out the effects, mainly this delay, because that would have just been annoying. And then to make that a bit more aggressive once it hits, I added an ambient plug, which I made with 3 times oscillator. So I turned off the other 2 oscillators and just used the one. And then I did this, made them an octave chord. So F sharp 3 and F sharp 2 and so on. Let's play this by itself. And for this thing, I have 3D delay on it, as you can hear, AVOX Duo, and I've got the compressor on it. Cool, yeah. So that is the intro, and then to symbolize that we're going into the intro, got this bit over here from the kick, the 2 kicks which I have, and this kick, and the 808, which is apparently the same 808 as was used in Magnolia by Playboy Carti, which was made by Pierbourne, and I actually got the Pierbourne pack over here. That's the 808 I used. Coolio. Okay, then we go into the hook. I should have put markers down, but that's fine. I'm calling this the hook and this is the verse. It's not a full song, it's just for the video. Just for the video. Alright, so we go into the hook. I'm gonna play it from here. Cool. As you can hear, there is a flute, and this flute I got from a very old plugin, which probably be very hard to get right now. But yeah, I got this from this plugin called Container. But you can go on Google or YouTube and search later on Container, and you'll find it there. It's apparently by Labs also. Man, I didn't even know that. But yeah, once you load the plugin, the default sound is the flute that I just displayed, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, so the effects that I have on that is reverb, delay, and EQ for moving lows and transients, and Kickstarter. Once it's played with the beat, it sounds right. But yeah, that is the flute. And then come on to this whistle that I made with 3 times oscillator. So once again, I eliminated the other 2 oscillators and just used the one. Then I went here to the LFO and this thing over here to make it fade in a little bit, that it isn't too harsh once it hits. And then for the LFO, I made a wobble. Let me turn on the reverb so you can hear it easily. And again, I can even intensify that. See that? That's how I made the whistle. Also for the whistle, I got chorus on it to make it go from left ear to right ear, symbolize that it's in the background. And then I had the reverb to enhance that effect, and EQ, removing lows. Okay, then we got this sound again from the intro. Got the strings again, then got the clap, got hi-hat, kick, and another kick, and snare, 808, and open hat, and another open hat. So for the clap, as you can hear, there's reverb on there. Where is it at? Reverb, fruity reverb. Lots of reverb, so I had to attenuate that a bit. And this clap I got from the Pierbourne pack. There we go. And the cool hat also got from the Pierbourne pack. Then I've got this one also. 2 hats laid on top of each other. That's for a more cool effect, you know. But this one I got from the Cymatics pack. Astro Hip Hop sample pack. Pretty sure I don't have anything on this. Oh no, I do, I've got fruity chorus. And I also did some randomizing of the panning over here. Randomizing with the panning, because this is like the free hat. Like I wanted to be everywhere, left ear, right ear, middle, you know. That's what I wanted to do with that. And then we come on to the kick. So this kick I also got from the Pierbourne pack. That's what it sounds like. Over here I went to the pre-computed effects and then I boosted it a tiny bit and made a clip. And then I thought this kick was a little too weak, like I didn't have any bass tail. So I went to the low baby pack and I got this kick. So this kick has a bass tail, and that's what I wanted. I decompress it just so that I can just have the tail instead of the hardness from the beginning, because I already have the hardness from the other kick. So I just wanted the bass tail, and then I used the compressor to do that. So that's the 2 kicks that I have on there. And then I got the snare, which I got from actually don't know from where. Got this from a November drum kit, which you can get on hipstermentals.com. Okay, yeah, I already spoke about this 808. We got this open hat, which I think also got from the Pierbourne pack. I actually didn't put any effects on that either. Then we got another open hat, which I also got from where? Yeah, my memory is so hazy. From a low baby pack, that's right. And yeah, that is the hook. And then to symbolize the big one over the hook, I've got this, which is from Cymatics Astro pack. I didn't put any effects on that because it sounds pretty good by itself, so I just left it like that. Then we come to the verse. Wow, this is pretty much self-explanatory. I took that bit from there, and then I took the snare And then the kick, just use the kick so that I can go with the 808. Then I got the head, just goes, and this is what I got. Coolio. And then for the second quarter of the verse, got the whistle coming in and did the good stuff, carries on through, and then I've got the pause over here with the drums and this thing to symbolize that we are intensifying the verse. And then in the verse, got the Belmo pan coming in, got the flute coming in, got the whistle again, got the bell coming in there again, and to symbolize that we are exiting the verse and going into the outro, I've got this thing over here, the downriser that I made. And then we move on to the outro, and in the outro, got the whistle, got the bell vinyl, and we got the strings to give it a very airy outro. Because remember, this is a Halloween track, a Halloween trap beat to end of the track, like very scary, shall I say. I've got this thing over here, like that. I've got this thing over here, which I got from a pack that I downloaded from I don't know where, gun sound effect pack that I downloaded from I don't know where, and it's a C4 switch. So this is basically supposed to symbolize that this track is a cassette or it's a Walkman. Like, you know, when you put the cassette in, then you click the cover close and the thing just finishes playing and then it opens. I imagine that's what it sounds like. That is the entire track. And right now, I'm gonna play the beat for you. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, and stay tuned for next week's video. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but there is going to be a video next week, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, here is the final product.